Hi guys, Simon here. Another day, another piece of kit to review. Today we are going to be looking at the Osprey Kamber 22 backpack. Perfect for skiing. Let's get this opened up. And there we go. So here it is in all its glory. Fresh out of the bag. So let's take a look at the features. Now, if we have to start somewhere with the Kamber 22, then it's got to be with the usual Osprey build quality. I know it's not the most sexiest feature of any particular backpack, but it comes to skiing that is particularly important. So this front panel is actually quite durable, and secondly, it just feels really well built and solid, and it's not going to rip or tear easily, which you come to expect from Osprey packs. Next up, let's have a look at the side pockets. These are two big zippered pockets. All the zips come with these quite handy, tough, durable loops, which you can of course grab when you're wearing ski gloves when you're out on the slopes. The pockets are a good decent size, enough to fit a sunglasses case in probably, or if you're anything like me, a good sized hip flask. And that can easily be got when you're on a ski lift or a gondola. There's a loop at the bottom here for ski carry, in case you want to do that. And also just here in this pocket, we open it up, there's a nice integrated helmet carry system which clips together and ensures you don't have to lug around and carry a helmet bouncing around on your backpack, which is quite a nice feature from the Kamber 22. Next pocket at the front is just quite a shallow pocket that's fleece lined. Typically you put in a pair of ski goggles in there, and then in the main compartment itself. So in here you can have an integrated pouch for a snow shovel should you need it. Several different compartments located in this section. Close that one up. And then in this larger section here, you've got the sleeve for your hydration pack. The hydraulics that the Osprey do, or you can also use other good branded hydration packs. In here, small pocket with a little clip. Generally, I prefer 22 litre backpacks. I've always used the 22 litre backpack size for skiing. Typically, you're wearing all your bulky items on the slopes anyway. So within here, I would put maybe a sun goggles case with some separate lenses just in case. Face mask, some liner gloves, additional thermals, camera if you wanted to take a camera out with you, spare hat, and just other bits and pieces that you might need, as well as water and food, stuff for when you stop, stuff to keep you warm, maybe an additional jacket. But you don't particularly need that many bulky items, is my point, which is why I've always gone for the 22 litre. And also, if you have any bigger packs that are slightly bulkier and you generally put more in them, I find it quite difficult to actually sit on a chairlift in a comfortable position without being thumped by the bar as it goes over your head. So just a small pack just allows you to sit comfortably and get on and off chairlifts quite easily, which is always a bonus. And here we are, with the pack fully on. Obviously, Osprey do different size packs for males and females. This is the medium large pack. I'm 6'1", so the length between the top of my neck and the bottom of my spine is quite long, but it fits quite nicely for me. In terms of the bit clips and belts, these are all in the right positions as they should be. These can be adjusted to move up and down depending on where you want them to sit. The clips are good. This is an internal insulated hydration sleeve, which is where the water pipe comes through. Insulated, of course, so that the water in your hydration bladder doesn't freeze when you're on those very cold days on the slopes. Again, the side pockets very easily accessible, whether you're wearing gloves or not, on both sides. And generally, it's just a very comfortable pack to wear. Now, I've used this on one ski trip so far. Previously, I've been using another 22 litre Osprey pack, but this one is definitely my favourite. It's a bit better shape for skiing, and of course the features within the pack are specifically designed for skiing, unlike the general hiking 22 litre backpack that I was using. Anyway, enough of me waffling on. Hopefully that's got through all the features for you. Let's take a little bit of a look at what it looks like on the slopes. Thanks for watching.